Assalamualaikum, my dear students. Hope you are doing very well by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Khaleda Akter, Assistant Teacher of Social Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deshi. So dear students, today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 3. The topic is Chapter 7, fill in the blanks, true, false and broad questions. And this is your lecture number 15. Okay, so let's go to the board and start our class. So dear students, the chapter is 7 and at first we will start with true false. Okay, we have done in the this chapter in our previous classes. Now we will discuss about the rest of the things in this class. So now first true false. The first one is smoke and dust lead to bad smells and dirt. So is it true or false? So dear students, this is true. And number 2, chemicals from agriculture cannot damage the earth. Chemicals from agriculture cannot damage the earth. As we know, chemicals damage the earth, so it will be false. Okay, so the answer is false. Number 3, careless litter and waste ruin our environment. And it's true. Careless litter and waste, we have to be careful about whenever we are throwing litter or waste so that it cannot ruin our environment. And number 4, water pollution can cause headache and loss of hearing. Water pollution, is water pollution cause headache or loss of hearing? No, it will be sound pollution. So as it is water pollution, that means that it will be false. And number 5, we should throw our rubbish in proper places. We should throw our rubbish. Dear students, there is a correction. There is a correction in the spelling. It will be through, T-H-R-O-W. So it will be through. That means we are throwing the things. We should throw our rubbish in proper places, and this is true. Okay, my dear students, now we will discuss about fill in the blanks. There are 5 fill in the blanks right now. We will discuss this here. Number 1, people pollute their environment in many ways. So in the dash box it will be pollute. Number 2, polluted air can cause disease. This is the answer of the fill in the blanks. Number 3, we should take action to stop pollution. We should take action to stop pollution. Number 4, we can throw rubbish in proper places. There is also correction. We can throw rubbish in proper places. We will not throw the rubbish in improper places. We will throw this in proper places. Number 5, traffic noise and loud music make us tired. So the answer is traffic noise. That noises of traffic and loud music, whenever we are hearing music with loud volume, that makes us tired. So this is the answer of the fill in the blanks. Now we will discuss 2 broad questions from your book chapter 7, and the first one is, the question is, why should we preserve our environment? The question is, why should we preserve our environment? As we know, environment is very important for us, that's why we have to preserve our environment, but we need to make the answer in detail. So the answer is, the environment is the most important resource for life. We get air, water and power from the environment. It helps to clear pollution and a large habitat for animals. It is essential for leading a healthy life. If we drink polluted water, we may have different diseases. When we inhale polluted air, harmful materials go inside of our lungs and make us ill. If our earth is polluted, our existence will be in danger. So to lead a healthy and happier life, we should preserve our environment. So the answer is, as the environment is very important for us and we get air, water, power from the environment, so with this component it is very important for us, which is the part of environment, and it helps us to clear pollution and large habitat for animals, and at the same time it is essential for leading a healthy and happier life. And at the same time, as we drink water, if we drink polluted water, we may have different diseases, and whenever we inhale polluted air, harmful materials go inside of our lungs and make us ill. So that's the reason we need to preserve our environment. So now go to the next question. The next question is, how is environment polluted? In the previous question we learned why should we preserve the environment, and we will know what is the reason by which environment can be polluted. And the answer is, our environment is polluted in many ways. For example, number 1, smoke and dust lead to bad smell and dirt and pollute air. So smoke and dust can be make our environment polluted, and it most importantly pollutes the air. And number 2, often litter and waste are mixed up with water of ponds, canals or rivers and pollute our environment. Whenever we are throwing our litter or waste, it can mix up with the water of ponds, canals and rivers, and then it can be pollute the water, and then this polluted water can pollute the environment. Number 3, pesticides used in agriculture pollute the soil. As we use pesticides to grow more agri-foods, and at the same time we are polluting the soil. So we have to use a lower range of pesticides. Number 4, traffic noise and loud music cause sound pollution. As we know, traffic noise and loud music cause the sound pollution. So this is the reason. And number 5, if we throw waste and litters here and there, it spreads bad smell and creates germs. As a result, the environment is polluted. So whenever we are throwing waste and litters, we need to be careful about that. We will not throw the waste or litters in here and there. We will throw this in the fixed places. So my dear students, this all for today. Hope you have understood today's class, because it was very easy topics, and you all have learned the topics in your previous classes. So that's why I think it will be very easier for you to learn the things and memorize the questions and answers. So dear students, stay home, stay safe, go through the books and questions answers very carefully, submit your SW. You have SW, this is your SW number 14, this is your SW number 14, and the SW will be fill in the blanks. That means you have you have 5 fill in the blanks. Okay, 1 to 5 you have to submit this SW on the Saturday. So my dear students, hope it will be very easier for you, and see you to the next class. Assalamualaikum, Allah Hafiz.